Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with another engine. This is a mid-50s Jensen number 25 heavy flywheel. I just got the boiler back from the nickel platers today and she shines like a brand new one. Wanted to get that done. And let's give her a little look over here. I've got it plugged in and coming up to steam. I've made a chimney for it. That's almost always missing when you get these. The safety or the sight glass on front totally taken apart, cleaned, rebuilt with new silicone gaskets. Now we're about to give her a try here. The firebox has got an older paint job on it, as well as the engine, but has been restored lately. The boiler has a little dent where this meets it. You can't see it, but that's kind of common on these. They get pushed into it a little bit. But as you can see, she shines like a brand new one. Let's take a little closer look. Okay. I believe somebody changed the plinth out too. An improvement in my book. The heater's good and strong. Alright, give her a run in a second. Alright, she's lubed up and ready to go. I think. Pressure's still climbing, it's still pretty early. Alright. Here we go. Well, this one's a really smooth runner. Quiet one. All right, a little bit closer. There we go. I gotta clean the boiler back up again. It's got water spit on it now. Thanks for looking, folks. St. Paul Steam saying have a good day. Bye.